How can a young professional qualify for an EB-1A pretty early in your career? Well, if you're watching this now and that applies to you, don't let your age hold you back, but think carefully about how to proceed. So, because the EB-1A looks backwards at your whole professional and sometimes even academic history, it is true that the more years of that you have, the more chances there are to tick off those boxes and have enough criteria and overall have a strong enough case to pass the final merits determination and get that petition approved. If your career is short, that's less time for you to show that you have satisfied those criteria. Uh, if your career is short, that is less time for you to have earned a leading or critical role in an organization with a distinguished reputation. So if you were in a postdoctoral laboratory, but it wasn't your lab, you were working on it. If you were an intern, even if the company is really distinguished, that's just not a job title that is leading or critical ever. But there may still be a path for you. It may be a path that leans heavily on your academic publishing and the citations you got. If you did an academic path, you have the publications, you have the citations, and you perform peer review of the work of others. And now you have some plan for yourself, some professional plan that actually builds upon that academic career. So you haven't pivoted away from it entirely. Even if you're now in private industry, you may have a winning case. There may be a strategy for you. Even if at the end of your analysis, you don't have a case ready to go, it is worth thinking carefully about right now, early in your career, so that you will be able to get a green card in time to make a lot of use out of it during your career, to have that flexibility, that mobility to go work wherever you want while you are in those building years. If you sleep on this and you stay in H-1B status for 10, 15, 20 years first, you may find in retrospect that you didn't have the career trajectory that you feel like you could have. So don't let that happen to you, even if you feel very uncertain about whether today you're ready to go. Think about how this year and next year can be those building blocks you need for your career that will get you to an EB-1A winning profile. Think about signing up for my email course on EB-1A. Thanks.